Alright, so in this video let's see how we can find the transfer function from a given state space model. So we can do it without any matrix multiplication, so that's the point of this video. So we have got these four matrices. So we know this A, the system matrix, that is the 2 by 2 matrix, and this B is the input matrix, and C is the output matrix. D is the feed forward or feed through matrix. So in this case then this D is 0. So in this A matrix we have got these four elements, we can see here. Similarly in B and in C we have got two elements, and this D, if there is D that is non-zero, so we can also assume for the general formula. So we know the formula of the transfer function, that is C times the inverse of this Si minus A times this B matrix and plus D. So in without any matrix multiplication, so we can further solve this GS, and that is equal to the product of C1 times or let me say like C1 times S minus A22 times B1 plus A12 times B2 plus C2 times, you can see, S minus A11 B2 plus A21 times B1. And in the denominator we have got the determinant of Si minus A, and that is given by this formula here, S minus A11 times S minus A22 minus the product of A12 and A21. So let's see this example. So here I've got these four matrices. Now let's first of all find the determinant of this Si minus A. So determinant of Si minus A, that is equal to, so we can see that is equal to straight away S plus 2 times S minus or positive 3. So we can write it as S squared plus 2S. Let me write it again. S squared plus 2S plus 3. So this is the determinant or the denominator. So next we should find the G of S, that's the transfer function, that is equal to C1 times C1 is 4 times S minus A22, that is 0, so that's just S, times B1, that is just 1, plus or B this A12 times this B2, that is negative 3, times 2 is 6, that is negative 6, and C2, this C2 is 5 times S minus A11, that is S plus 2 times B2, I think, yeah, B2 2 times B1 and A21, that is just 1. So I think it's correct. So let's put this denominator here, S squared plus 2S plus 3, and let's write this down here like 4S, no, it is negative 24, and this is 2 times 5 is 10, that is equal to 10S, and that is 2, that is 20, and this is 5 times 1 is 5, and in the denominator that is S squared plus 2S plus 3. So again this 10S times 10S and 4S is 14S, and this 25 minus 24 is just 1 divided by S squared plus 2S plus 3, and that's the final answer of our question.